Welcome to the April Quick Bite segment. Today we are featuring fresh peppers. Now, when I say the word pepper, what comes to mind? Is it hot, spicy, sweet, burning, red, yellow, orange, green, or purple? Well, regardless of what comes to mind, all of these terms can be used to describe fresh peppers because there are two categories of fresh peppers, sweet and hot. Let's begin with sweet peppers. The sweet pepper category includes the most common pepper, the bell pepper. As many of you probably already know, the bell pepper is available in green, red, orange, and yellow. A green bell pepper is an immature pepper, which is why it can taste bitter and not very sweet. Red, orange, and yellow bell peppers are simply the ripe forms of different green pepper plant varieties, which is also why they tend to cost a bit more. Other varieties of sweet peppers that you may be familiar with include banana peppers, cherry peppers, pepperoncini peppers, Anaheim peppers, and poblano peppers. No matter the color of the pepper or how hot it is, the macronutrient content or protein, fat, and carbohydrate won't differ much. However, there are some differences in vitamin and mineral content in bell peppers, though not enough to warrant one as being better than another. For example, according to the USDA nutrient database, green bell peppers contain 80 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, which is about 3 ounces or about 1/2 of a large bell pepper or 3 snacking sweet peppers. Whereas yellow bell peppers contain 184 milligrams per 100 grams. Given that the RDA for vitamin C is 75 to 90 milligrams for adults or 50 to 75 milligrams per day for children, depending on the age, either one is a good choice as a dietary source of vitamin C. Hot peppers are just as their name indicates. They're hot. The hot sensation that we experience when eating a hot pepper comes from a chemical called capsaicin. Hot peppers are certainly trending on the retail side of food service in sauces such as sriracha, buffalo, spicy barbecue, sweet Thai chili, and chipotle are being served on sandwiches, hamburgers, pasta dishes, and salads. And many school program operators are following retail food service trends and are serving chili-based sauces on menus. Now, did you just notice that I switched to using the term chili? If you're wondering what the difference is between a pepper and a chili, I'll tell you. The difference is actually quite simple. A chili is a fresh pepper that has been picked at its peak ripeness and dried, much like when a grape becomes a raisin. A fresh jalapeno pepper that has been dried is called a chipotle chili, and a fresh poblano pepper that has been dried is called an ancho chili. Some peppers only have one name because they are only used dried. Examples include serrano, cayenne, and paprika. Yes, that's right, paprika is actually a type of pepper, but some of the more mild types of paprika spices that we use in our kitchens actually come from sweet red bell peppers. Did you know that that packet of red pepper flakes that you get with your pizza is most likely cayenne pepper, which gives those red pepper flakes some heat? And speaking of heat, the heat of a pepper is measured in Scoville heat units that range from 0 to over 10 million. Sweet bell peppers are rated at 0 units. Jalapeno peppers are between 2,500 and 8,000 units. Habanero peppers are between 150,000 and 350,000 units. And one of the most famous and extremely hot peppers, the Carolina Reaper, is between 1.5 and 2 million heat units. And here's one last fun fact for you. Bell peppers are actually a fruit based on the botanical definition, but in child nutrition programs, they credit as a vegetable. So let's talk about using fresh peppers in child nutrition programs. Red and orange bell peppers credit as a red-orange vegetable subgroup, and the green and yellow bell pepper varieties credit as an other vegetable subgroup in school nutrition programs. The bright colors of sweet bell peppers can add visual appeal and bump to the nutrients in any child nutrition program menu. So let's briefly review some tips for purchasing and storing fresh peppers. Certain varieties of peppers grow well in Kansas, and our friends at A&H Farm and Muroc Family Produce tell us that popular peppers grown right here in Kansas include bell peppers, green, red, orange, and yellow, sweet banana, jalapeno, sweet Italian friars, poblano, and sweet orange snacking peppers. To find local peppers near you, make sure to check out the Shop Kansas Farms and From the Land of Kansas websites, or visit your local farmers market to identify a producer that may be able to grow larger quantities for school programs and large child care centers. And of course, contact Barb Depew, Farm to Plate Project Director in the Child Nutrition and Wellness Office. When purchasing fresh peppers, you'll want to purchase those that are firm, free of blemishes, and that have thick, shiny, smooth skin and green stems. It's best to store whole peppers in sealed plastic bags in the cooler or refrigerator for up to 1 week. Wrap cut peppers in plastic and store in the refrigerator or cooler for up to 3 days for best quality. Schools must make sure to date mark cut peppers and use within 7 days. When handling hot peppers, always make sure to wear disposable gloves and be careful to never touch or rub your eyes without washing your hands. Thanks for watching today's segment, and make sure to join me on May 25th at 2 p.m. for the May Culinary Corner featuring fresh peppers. I'll have preparation tips and delicious recipes that include pepper nachos, pork sliders with peach habanero sauce, and salsa to share with you.